guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel and to another video here today. We're going to be playing with some glue-on nail extensions, and these were actually sent to me, so this is going to be really fun. It's the first time anything's been sent to me, and she does include glue in the actual box of nails as well, so that's really nice. If you don't have any glue at home, she includes it for you. So once you remove this felt piece, the nails are going to be underneath there, and she does hand make each and every one of these, and she did send me a beautiful scarlet red color that I absolutely adore. She does have different sizes and different colors. If you guys want to check it out, I'll have everything of hers in the description box down below. I'm gonna start roughing up my nails and taking off my current nail polish with a sanding bit and a mandrel. I'm gonna be using the Grit 240 here to take all that off, and then I'm gonna just remove this top coat with this bit, and then use nail polish remover to take off the rest of the nail polish, and then just rough up my natural nail. If you don't have an actual nail e-file, just use a regular nail file. That's totally fine, a hand file. If you have a 100, 180 grit, just use the softer side, which would be 180, just so that you don't hurt your natural nail or take anything off that you don't actually need to. So I'm gonna start doing that, and once we come back, I will come back with some alternatives to the cuticle work that I will be doing around my cuticles. So I did my cuticle work with a bit, but you can actually use the edge of the cuticle pusher here like I'm showing you, and you can also use, it's called a cuticle stone. You can order those online. I got 3 of them for like $1 off Amazon, and those really work well too, instead of a nail bit, since I realized that not everybody might have that. And then also I'm going to be using Dehydrator to take off the natural oils from my natural nail bed, just to make sure that the glue actually has something to adhere to. So if you don't have Dehydrator, another alternative would be isopropyl alcohol, also known as rubbing alcohol. I know some people have that lying around the house. Otherwise, it's only like $2 at Walmart or anywhere else you can get it. So next I'm going to be sizing these, and when I was sizing these, I wanted to keep in mind that I didn't want something too small, because if it was too small, it has the chance of popping off of your nail, just like any other nail tip or extension when applying actual acrylic too. So when I did this, I was looking for something that was going to reach each edge of my nail, and that one did not, so I decided to go a size up. I also wanted it to be really comfortable on my nail. I didn't want it to feel like it was squeezing me, and I wanted it to look really nice around the cuticle area too. So when I sized up, that one did actually work for me really well. I am also, when I apply these, going to try and keep a road between my cuticle area and the nail extension, just to make it look a little bit more like I did go to the nail salon, since when you are actually applying acrylic, you want to leave a little road there in between those two, just to give the acrylic something to actually adhere to. So keep that in mind when you're sizing these as well. Next, we are just going to apply the glue to the actual finger and hold those on and press those down. Make sure that there are no air bubbles coming in there, so that we don't have any lifting of anything as well. I'm just going to go ahead and do this to all 10 of my fingers. Note to self, always put the cap on in between gluing each fingernail on. Lesson learned. But anyways, after we do this, we're gonna see the final look here, and I could not believe how amazing these turned out, you guys. They look like I spent so much time and so much money on them, and really, you can do this for under $20 at home. No acrylic, no gel, nothing like that. You guys can do it even cheaper because I have a code for you guys. It's CHYANN 50. That's Cheyenne 50. So you guys can use that code at checkout to get a set of these nails for 50% off. They're usually $17, $14, just kind of depends. She does have different sizes, different colors. You can bling them up and make them your own, shorten them, file them, do whatever you want with them. But they are seriously amazing, and I don't make any money off this. This is solely for you guys. I am a brand ambassador, so I really want to see you guys do this. Everybody's looking for a cheap alternative, and this is definitely it. Hey everyone, I just wanted to get on here and say thanks for coming to today's video and watching. I really hope that you guys liked the video and what I had to give for you guys. I do have a coupon code for you guys. It is CHYANN, the number 50, that's 50, so Cheyenne 50. This is not a paid sponsorship. I do not make any sort of money off of this. This is just something that I want to give to you guys. I know that sometimes it's hard to get into the salons and really expensive and time consuming and everything, so these nails are amazing and I absolutely love them myself, so I hope that you guys do as well. The more you guys use it, the longer the code will last, so hopefully you guys find some that you like on there. She's got tons and tons of different colors, designs, everything. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, everything like that. Follow me on my social media. Instagram is Nebraska Nails. Snapchat's FlyShy18. Everything that I use is in the description box below, which really I didn't use that much. It was super easy, super cheap, and I am so happy that she gave me a code to help you guys get something super cheap and super easy as well. Share some pictures, tag us on Instagram, and have a great day. It's beautiful in Nebraska. Have a great day.